In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your personal and business Outlook calendar efficiently. As we dive into this, I want to stress the importance of keeping your work and personal schedules distinct yet harmonized. So let's start by setting up separate calendars in Outlook. Begin by selecting Add Calendar to create a new one dedicated solely to personal events. This is a straightforward way to maintain a clear boundary between your professional and private life, making calendar management significantly more effective. Another powerful tool at your disposal is color coding. Assign unique colors to each calendar. For instance, a shade for work and another for personal. This visual cue allows you to differentiate quickly between types of events, helping you manage your time at just a glance. Additionally, consider using categories for those gray areas where personal appointments may cut across work hours. Assign a category like personal priority for such events, making them stand out on both your work and personal calendars. Next, managing how you view these calendars is crucial for a seamless experience. Outlook offers the flexibility to display your calendars side by side or overlaid. This feature is particularly handy when you need to spot conflicts and consolidate availability on the fly. If you ever want to focus solely on one area, simply hide a calendar by deselecting it in the navigation pane. This helps reduce clutter and enhances focus. Now let's talk about syncing and sharing availability, which further refines managing both facets of your life. Syncing personal events to your work calendar can be done through your calendar settings. This action lets colleagues see your overall availability, marking personal events as tentative or busy without revealing the specifics. It's a great way to maintain privacy while ensuring you're not overbooked. Setting your work hours, including remote or in-office days, is also key. These settings help colleagues view your schedule transparently when planning meetings. Sharing your calendars is another step you shouldn't overlook. By sharing your work calendar with your team, you showcase your availability clearly. Meanwhile, sharing your personal calendar with family can also be useful, ensuring they know when you're tied up with work commitments. Remember, you have control over how much detail you share, so customize it to your comfort. Finally, creating and managing events is the heart of utilizing any calendar effectively. When adding a new appointment, always use new event and pay attention to selecting the right calendar from the drop-down menu. This prevents any mix-ups between personal and work commitments. Moreover, for similar or recurring events, right-click the existing event and select Duplicate. This shortcut saves time by allowing you to simply edit the date and time for the new event without having to re-enter all the details. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to managing your personal and business Outlook calendar seamlessly. By following these steps, you'll not only improve your organizational skills, but also ensure a balance between your professional obligations and personal interests.